We have a LED strip light and this is the battery connector with the switch. Now we will cut the black wire of the battery connector.
You can see
And
here now this one wire
we will attach it to one part of the battery.
to this wire.
One black wire.
We'll put it here. And fix it.
And the other black wire to the another part.
And we'll put this inside and fix it.
So we have attached it. And this one black wire to this part.
We'll fix it here.
So we are using blue LED strip light. So it's working and looks great. Now here we have the battery connector. So now as we
will use tape.
Now we will stick
these wires.
The wires and with the tape. And now you can see the LED strip light. As we put the battery in the connector and on the switch.
Now, as we on the switch,
the light glows and it's really very bright.
Made the small light. So now we have to stick this here.
White.
So it comes
one white
sheet.
We'll remove it and stick this on the white
now it will
sheet.
easily stick. But before sticking,
A small piece of white paper,
so you stick
white cardboard, and we'll also stick that white cardboard to this cardboard. Now we will make a box-like structure.
Stick this
so that you can see the back like this box.
So put the battery here.
We will attach the battery with the connector and stick this.
And now we will
upper this part with the downward the back part.
The lights are getting on. So
with,
actually in this
using
camera,
tape.
lights are not much bright, but in reality they are very bright.
Tape. Now as we on the light,
so now we will stick
we on this with the lighter glowing
tape.
Now we'll stick it with the tape.
You can see this. Now I have off the light, so now we can see that how much bright this is. So you can use it to find something when there is no light. So this was our today's craft light. So you can also make it easily. Here you can see nothing, but as I put the light, we can see a dress. So bye and thank you.